Hi, this is Carlos Cousins, and the following SAT writing question is asking for the introduction of a conclusion to the intro paragraph. This is usually our thesis, so it's what the whole passage is about. Though they're giving us a huge hint here. It says that this sentence needs to cast doubt on those who do not recognize the power of touch. This seems then that we're talking about these disbelieving individuals, or if you've done the previous question, these skeptics, as we saw. So the next sentence then, these doubters or skeptics of the power of touch, we're going to discredit them. They are stuck in the past, basing their arguments and theories that science has long discredited. So we don't like what they believe. Touch should be elevated as a sense above all others. All right, we don't want to be like the disbelieving individuals. So, okay, when we want to actually cast doubt on them. So which sentence does that best? The original, so although scientists have long understood the power of touch, disbelieving individuals are being more cautious in their willingness to elevate this sense above all others. All it says is that they're more cautious, though. It doesn't say that they're wrong. We don't see that really until this next sentence, the topic sentence of the first paragraph, sentence number 1. So we can get rid of that. Answer choice B says, those who deny the power of touch have much to learn from recent studies conducted by the nation's leading behavioral psychologists. This looks good. So if we want to cast doubt on those who don't recognize the power of touch, then we can say those who deny the power of touch have much to learn from recent studies. So we have evidence that we're going to present that shows that these people are not actually correct in their point of view. So this looks very good. Let's see if we find something better. They are flat out wrong in every respect. They would refer back to the skeptics or the disbelieving people. So this looks good. But this sentence here did give some evidence. Recent studies, leading behavioral psychologists, rather than just telling us that these people are wrong. This isn't as convincing, this third answer choice. So it's hard between the two of them. But between the two, I'm going to go ahead and pick B. Crossing out C, let's go ahead and check this last one out. Such silly assumptions have no real basis in science and need to be exposed, as this has been by recent leading smarter studies. So this looks really good too. The problem is, we're saying it's going to be exposed, or this needs to be exposed, but it's already been done by recent leading and smarter studies. This is strange because this implies that they performed studies even though there's no real basis in science. Maybe the studies were flawed, but we don't have any reference to studies being made by skeptics before, and we're not saying by smarter studies than the ones that skeptics made. This last word here, studies, is a bit strange. It seems misleading. The use of word smarter there is also a little bit out of It's not in the same style as the rest of the passage. It seems answer choice B will be the best answer choice here. I hope that helped with this problem, and happy prepping.